Hi guys! Today I'm gonna make bracelets. You can also make necklaces with these or rings. And let's get started. We have some letters and some little and big beads. And here in these two we have more big beads, and in these ones we have really tiny beads, and these are more color beads. Okay, so now I'm going to use these ones. See, let's open it. Okay, so these are what I have right now. Okay, so I have my string to make my bracelet. It's quite long because I'm gonna make a necklace. Okay, so usually I just make bracelets, but I'm gonna make a necklace today. Okay, ooh, I think I'm gonna use this diamondy blue, see?
Me too!
Yeah, my sister's gonna make a bracelet too.
I want purple.
Okay, here.
Thank you.
Okay, tie it up and then put a tape on it, because if you just put the bead in and there's no tape or a knot on the end, it will just fall off. And then it will keep falling off. Okay, so now I'm going to make my bracelet. So I'm gonna use this long string because I'm gonna make a necklace. Oh yeah, so my sister's gonna make a bracelet too. I'm going to use purple, blue, and pink. These are like unicorn colors, and these are like how you can make jewelry. Yeah. From the top, get a color and then put it like this. Well, you have to put in one and then you can do it. So from the top, get a color and then put it like this. Okay, since we're making bracelets, my mom has given me popcorn and a juice because sometimes when I make bracelets, I get hungry on Thursday.
Okay, juice.
Yeah.
Take a sack.
Sweet and salty popcorn together. Okay.
Look,
Okay.
stars are blue.
So this is what I've got to right now.
Juice.
So now I'm going to I'm like doing a pattern, because whenever I make necklaces and bracelets, I like make a pattern because I really like to make patterns because they make a design as well. Siblings, brother or sister, little one, make sure you always whenever you do something, make sure you also get them to do it with you because sometimes they also cry, and also teach them what you can do. So these are the bracelets that I made before. So I've made this one. This one I like the most. This one I've also made. On this one I've put a picture, and on this one it's a really little one, but I put letters on this one. So I've just done this so far. I'm nearly I just have to do it up to here, so I have lots more to do. Okay, so can you see that I'm doing thank you. So can you see that I'm doing like a pattern? So like these purples are like just they're not shiny and they're not diamondy. So these ones are like this, and then I put a star, then diamond ones, and then a circle, and then I put a more just no shiny and diamondy ones, and then I put diamond ones, and then it's like a pattern. I'm gonna keep doing that, and then in the end I'm gonna put this.
Circle, let's go. Bracelet, 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 let's go ABCD. Let's
make a bracelet, but if you want a snack, you can get popcorn or anything. I don't really eat popcorn when I'm making a bracelet, but I don't really eat anything but eating popcorn with some orange juice. Sometimes in the middle when I make a necklace or a bracelet, I also put like these circles and stars, but this time I haven't put it in the middle, but I put it like in the so I've got it in the middle of it now. So I have like another half to do, but I am going to leave this much space. So so this is how much I've done. It looks really shiny, right? See? Whee! So I just have a little bit more to do. More than that. Done now, and now I'm gonna put a knot from like this. So if you don't know how to do it, you can ask your parents. I'm going to make my mom do it. Okay, so my mom has tied this up for me. I really like this. This is really beautiful, see? Okay, I'm going to tie it. I'm going to like wear it now and see how it looks. Oh, it looks nice. Really nice. Okay, now I'm going to put it on my sister's. So I also put these this star on here and a circle with a bow on it. Well, this circle I put it on, but the bow. So I also put it like a pattern. See, so like this bit is just like a. So this one this necklace is kind of like this bracelet because this one is also like a pattern. But over here I didn't do a pattern, but this is really like a pattern. And now I'm gonna put on the bracelets. I hope you liked to make bracelets now. This is really fun. And if you want to try to make this at home, you can. Okay. Bye. Next time I'm gonna come up with even more exciting videos. Bye.
Bye.